Speċjalment Maltin, I don't want to sound hekk, imma ma' Maltin ma noħroġ. Għax il-familja bis involuta, kulħadd jaf kollox u dik għax twildet hekk u bla bla bla. Il-Maltin, they're so obsessed with your past that they don't even give your present a chance, so I don't even bother. Ġifiri, plus I've tried, I've had my heart broken so many times, għax ħafna taf kif it doesn't matter, un bat waħda when it's time for like the family finding out or something along those lines, but it's no. So, Emma, these are life lessons learned, lessons I've dealt with in therapy, ġifiri, I don't waste time on dating apps or anything of the sort, għax għalija doesn't make sense. No judgment to whoever does, taf kif, where they feel that their life needs a partner, a relationship to be fulfilled. For me, it's not the case. I'd rather do things like Miss Universe, travel, learn things.
Tixtieq imma tkun f'relazzjoni?
Minix ħanajdlek, Iva, għax ver ħajti, it would be complete. I don't believe it.